Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Mendez, and in today's video we're going to be doing my wash day routine using Aunt Jackie's Curls Flaxseed collection. Today's routine is going to use 5 products, starting with a hot oil treatment, a co-wash, a deep conditioning mask. Then I'm going to be styling with the hair milk and a defining curl whip. So if you're interested to see the results of me turning this dry hair into this poppin' wash and go, stay tuned. Okay. For my hot oil treatment, I like to spritz my hair with lots of water. Get it moistened up to help loosen up the tangles. Alright, and then just kind of start spreading it apart. And then I like to go in with the Aunt Jackie's multi-purpose oil. Got a generous amount. I start warming it up in my hand a little. And then just go ahead and put it up. And just kind of separate my hair. So now I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. Next up, I like to go in with my co-wash and really get to the roots and make sure I wash all of the oil out and just really focus on my scalp. Then I like to go in with my intensive conditioning mask. This could be used as a deep conditioner or just a conditioner. And I like to try to finger detangle a bit before I go in with my detangling comb to really try to get as many tangles out before I style. Now for styling. First I'm going to go in with this hydrating hair milk as a leave-in conditioner, and I just like to distribute it with my hands and separate my hair as much as possible. Then I like to top it off with my defining curl whip. I love to apply the products with my hands because then I can feel for what sections might need a little bit more product, a little bit more TLC, and just try to evenly distribute the product as much as possible. Alright, we're finally at the last step of this wash day routine, which is drying our hair to see how this wash and go turned out. Today I'm going to be diffusing. Normally I like to air dry, but for the sake of saving some time today, we're just going to go ahead and diffuse. So I'll be back in just a sec with the results. Okay, we're back and we're smiling big because we love the results. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at this volume, honey. Alright, well, my last step was to just diffuse and go back in with a pick and just get at my roots to give myself the volume I was looking for. And yes, here we are. Now,